Hey Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is on this unit that I got from AlLove Hair, and it is one of my favorite textures, and that is water wave. It is the perfect hybrid of curly and wavy for me. I love long lengths. You know, when you get curly hair, it usually shrinks, but with water wave, you still get that length. To make it even better, this wig is a PPB wig, so I didn't have to really do much except install. The hairline came pre-plucked, the knots came bleached, and the lace came cut already, so it really took out a lot of work. PPB wigs are perfect for anyone who is a beginner or someone who wants to put their wig on and go. So in this video we are going to be doing an install, and then I'll give you my first thoughts, but before that, let's get into the unboxing. Today's unit is from AlLove Hair. Let's get in here and see what's inside. This is the unit. It comes in this plastic, and then there is a bag of goodies. Inside of that bag of goodies is an HD wig cap, an edge brush, a duck clip, as well as a wig hanger. And here is the wig. This is the Water Wave 28 inches. These waves are so defined and beautiful. The hairline comes pre-plucked. The lace is pre-cut and the knots are bleached, and that makes it a PPB wig, which is perfect for beginners. It also comes with adjustable straps, 3 combs, and an adjustable spandex band on the inside. So this is what the unit looks like after I wash and conditioned it, and I'm just like, wow, look at those waves and how beautifully defined they are. I put the adjustable straps on, I put the wig on my head, and then I kind of adjusted it, and I took some powder and I put it on the lace. Then I cut the ear tabs off, which means this is going to definitely fit a bigger head. My head is small and it had more lace in the front, so that's a good thing. Okay, so I'm taking a powder and I'm just going down the parting space because I feel like the lace is a little ashy looking and I want it to match me. Then I took the got to be glued spray and I sprayed the hairline and I just blow dried it. I did it in different sections, so that's what you'll see me doing here. You can already see how the hair is just laying and I didn't even really do anything. Like, this is definitely beginner friendly. It was very, very easy. Okay, and anywhere the lace, like, you can really see the lace, that's where I'm going to spray it. After that, I'm going to put a band on, a melting band. I waited 10 minutes. Now I'm taking the melting band off, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how my edges are laid, and you really can't see the lace. Okay, I'll just add a little bit more powder, but I kind of didn't like the way it looked just like that because the lace was just it was giving ashy vibes. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just do a little baby hair. Okay, so that's exactly what I did. I just was checking out the perimeter just to see where I wanted to have baby hair, and I just was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do the basic baby hair, just 2, 1 on each side, and that's it. So right now I'm separating the hair and I'm getting everything prepped. Okay, I'm bringing it to the front, and now I'm just going to start parting out the baby hair. And as you can see, it's already plucked, so I did not have to do anything but part my baby hair, cut it, and then whoop, I didn't even use, I should have curled it with a curling iron. That would have gave it kind of like a, you know, a wispy look, like, you know, but I do like the way this came out. And I just did the same thing to the other side, literally the same exact thing, and this is how it came out. Okay, so this hair is from AlLove Hair. This is the 13x4 water wave PPB wig. PPB means pre-plucked, pre-cut, and bleached. Okay, so the hairline is pre-plucked for you, so you don't have to do any plucking. It looks very natural. The knots are already bleached, so you don't have to worry about adding powder and stuff like that. I did add powder because of the lace color. I wanted the lace was giving a little ashy, so I added the powder of my skin complexion to the lace, and that definitely did the job because now it looks very natural. And it also comes with the lace pre-cut along the hairline, so you literally don't have to do any of that. This is a definite beginner friendly wig. I always recommend PPB wigs for any beginner, okay, because they take out a lot of the work that you would have to do on your own, and your wig is gonna look natural. Okay, this wig is 28 inches. Okay, so it hits me right here in the front, like, you know, right here in the front, which is like the middle of my stomach, and in the back it comes to the middle of my butt. Okay, so I did secure the wig, but it does come with adjustable straps as well as a band on the inside, a spandex band on the inside, so that you have the support you need and your wig can stay on without you having to glue it. So that's what is going to make it even more beginner friendly. However, with me, when I have a 13x4 hairline, I want it to, like, I want the lace to disappear. Okay, so that is why I sprayed it down, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. All right, sometimes with my wigs, all I do is spray right here in the front, and then I'll just leave the sides because it's not showing. Okay, it really just depends on the day. I'm a lazy stylist when it comes to my own hair. Like, I'm doing my hair every single day, so and I'm doing my daughter's hair, and I'm making wigs for other people. So when it comes to me, I'm a little lazy when it comes to my own styling, so I don't like to do too much. So this wig was perfect because I felt like, you know, I didn't really have to do too much. During the washing, I just used the Herbal Essences Hello Hydration shampoo and conditioner, and it works like a dream for all of my hair, especially my curly and wavy hair. Like, oh my god. Another shampoo and conditioner you could use for this hair is the Herbal Essences Totally Twisted. That works amazing. And it's definitely good for defining your waves or curls when you have curly or wavy hair. It's specifically for that type of hair, so I would definitely recommend that. It smells so good. I didn't have to leave in any type of conditioner or any products. This is the natural hair on its own. Nothing is in this hair. This is nothing, not even conditioner is in this hair. And look how beautifully defined the waves and curls are. Like, when I tell you I love this freaking unit, like, it is so gorgeous. It's so full and it's so long and it's practical. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10, hands down. AlLove Hair always comes with the hits. Like, I have been loving every wig that I get from them, so I would highly recommend it, and I definitely would recommend this hair. I will have it down in the bottom bar just in case you want to check it out. I thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all have any questions for me, you can always ask me in the comments and I will always get back to you. Okay, if I see it, I'm going to respond. All right, I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye y'all.